Welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable notifications for content you may like on Snapchat using the latest app update. If you enjoy discovering new creators or staying updated with fresh content, this setting is definitely worth turning on. Let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Now, on your profile screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Tap on that to continue. Once you're inside settings, scroll down a bit until you find the notifications option. Tap on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Snapchat, so it's where you'll customize what you want to be notified about. Inside the notifications menu, keep scrolling until you see an option labeled From Suggested Creators. This is the feature that allows Snapchat to send you updates and content recommendations based on your interest and activity. To enable it, simply check the box or toggle the switch next to From Suggested Creators.